Welcome. In this video we are going to learn enum application and enum logged on users Meterpreter post exploitation modules in Metasploit. Let's open up terminal. Here I am already open Meterpreter command prompt. Type run post windows gather enum underscore application. Here you can see that application installed in remote host, application name and its version. Enum logged on user. The enum logged on user post module returns a listing of current and recently logged on users along with their SIDs. Type run post /windows /gather /enum logged on users. Here you can see that currently logged users SID and username as Whitey. The result is saved in root MSF4 loot directory. You can see the recently logged users. So that's it in this video on enum application and enum logged on users in Metasploit post exploitation modules. Thank you for watching this video.